That means it's like from saving 1 billion papers in Dubai, we can feed 4 million children every year. That can give you also back 40 hours of productivity. That is really important. We are losing a lot of our times today because we are changing. We are transacting within the city and moving from one place to another and wasting times at service centers and many other things. So this time we'll be back to you. You have only from paperless strategy 40 hours of getting back to your life. And also by implementing this strategy, we are also saving 130,000 trees every year. So imagine one city, only the government adapting such a strategy, how much saving is around that. But again, if you think of all of those strategies, a lot of data will be generated from them. And again, there are a lot of opportunities. Yes, we want to transact. Yes, we want to have a seamless experiences, but we are creating a new asset. There is a digital wealth that is getting created over here. Now, do you know how to manage your assets? You know, it's like, when it was on paper, it was really easy. You used to have every individual have a folder at home. You have your birth certificates, your important license or whatever you have, and you keep and stack them. Now it is digital. So this digital will have to be managed. That is an asset that we are creating, not only for today. We need to think 50 years from now. Imagine, you know, it's like the next generations come and says, what they have left for us over here, how they have maintained all of those information is an asset. So for that, we have our Dubai Data Initiative, the most comprehensive data initiative globally, and we have a digital platform that's hosting all of the city information and city data within one platform. And the way that we are leading it, by having a law, standards, and policies that's governing the data within the city of Dubai. It's maintaining the privacy and confidentiality of it. It's governing the exchange between the government departments, what they can and what they cannot exchange. It also have provided a lot of data openly today. So we are very proud to say that Dubai has today a lot of machine-readable data available on its portal that you can use it to analyze it. You can use it through machine learning to provide better services in Dubai. And Dubai Pulse is also providing you with those data, not only as a raw data, but you can get also data services. Now we have these new terms. There are data services. So what are data services? You need analytical tools. I have all of those tables exist. So how I can crunch them? How I can analyze all of those information? Is there a way that I can ask that set of data set a question and can give me an answer back? That is all what Dubai Pulse can provide you with today over here. So the launch of Dubai Pulse was last year, April 2017, where His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum have mandated the city. I said, they need to host all of the city data over there. And we've put a strict plan and compliance levels with the city, understanding it is a mandatory today to share your data. It is not an option. Data have to be shared within the city of Dubai. And that have taken us through levels of maturities. More than 300 data sets that's being ingested on a smart city platform. We have an inventory which is growing. This number is outdated already, and I cannot really keep track of updates. It's more than 1,500 data sets. We are creating a repository for the city. If I am looking at my city today, what are the data that exist around me? What type of it is it? You know, it's like, again, if I cluster them, what kind of informations are really important? If we want to use a use case from an AI, are we ready to share that data? Is it available within the city? If someone asks that question, pre-data strategy, it was really hard to answer those questions. But now today, thanks to the efforts that the government departments that is leading with us today over here, we've been able to identify government inventory when it comes to data sets.